Hello, we're from Team 6 in SCR 515 project, and our project topic is autonomous rover in supermarkets. So this was our use case diagram for the rover. We had actors like move, display, sense, and think, and we have use cases like traversing between aisles, detecting obstacles and avoiding them, displaying the store layout, pick and drop items from the inventory to the aisle, and then vice versa, identifying the aisle, planning the route, generating the layout, and displaying battery health. So this was our brainstorming idea when we first started our project. We described about the constraints and the different use cases and their actions, and this is our problem statement. So this is the overview of our project. So our rover traverses between aisles in a grocery store. It performs functionalities like picking up items, dropping items in their designated aisles. It traverses front and back between aisles and then detects obstacles and traverses accordingly. We haven't completed the detection part because we had ROS integration issues, but we've completed the rest other functionalities. So we designed a rover. We've built the body of the rover and then a flexible arm which moves in between objects, enabling it to stay balanced on the terrain that we've created. So these are all the functionalities. And this is how our rover looks like with the arm and the gripper. We've missed out these features. We've couldn't complete the ROS integration part because we had issues with ROS in the Docker. We haven't completed the health display of the rover because we've underestimated these tasks and thought we could complete them, but it was very difficult to complete them. So we haven't completed the displaying of the health rover part because it was way too beyond our uh, understanding level. And then we thought we could find out the location tracking of the rover on the centralized dashboard of the rover, but we haven't completed that part also. So I'm going to show a demo of our rover, how it looks like. So this is the arm of the rover. It moves front and back, up and down. And then this is how the gripper part moves for it to hold objects. It traverses forward, backward, and sideways. It can also pick and drop objects. We've also implemented different camera views. So this is one view. This is another camera view of the layout. This is our grocery store with all the carts, railings, and we have few objects placed in the grocery store layout. This is another view of the front desk and all the other objects. And this is the far away view of our terrain, the grocery store. So what lessons we have learned is that teamwork is very important. We've learned how to coordinate with one another and complete tasks on time. We've also learned that we have to ask questions when we have doubts, and then we cannot do everything on our own. So seeking advice is a very important part that we've learned about. And then we learned that we have to work on our mistakes from the previous sprints instead of continuing them like that. And then we also learned that communication is the key important part of the completion of the project.